This is the realization of a dream that I've had for quite some time.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here with the keys to LATAM.
Keys to LATAM Conference aims to empower business leaders, foster economic growth, and enhance diaspora support for brand Jamaica.
All of you who wants to export your goods from Jamaica in general, you can do it with Copa Wireless.
We've done all the work to break it down step by step from the history to the actual work of exporting. And I promise you some of you guys are gonna get richer coming off of this. There's so much free money.
The Latin American market is not just a business decision, it's a strategic imperative.
Jamaica is actually so close to Latin America. They had a time advantage where they could get their products to their clients faster than the competitors.
Remove the notion of competitiveness and to replace it with the notion of co-competitiveness.
Businessmen and women, make sure you understand that this country is changing, and unless we get a lot more exports, we're going to remain poor. You cannot get rich just selling to Jamaica.
Create a strong brand, okay? Just invest on your brand. Trust me, it's worth it. Once you create a strong brand, everything is easier that way.
Today's conference is to get us in the know, and I really think that knowledge is great power, but execution of knowledge is even more power, and that's the reason why we're here today.
I encourage business people to make that step to position themselves in forums that are open to trade.
Don't be afraid to fail. It's like doing business everywhere else. You're gonna cut through until you find a product, a market, and a relationship that works with you.
It's the commitment that has led to the success of companies like Caribbean Teas, like Lasco, like Grace. Commit to the process.
When you enter these countries, your business counterpart can talk to you in English in most instances. And if they can't, they can solve that.
Access to finance is very critical, and therefore this is where EXIM would step in the space or the gap where the commercial bank is not fulfilling.
There's enough money under the Jamaica Business Fund now for us to really support groups of companies. So I'll encourage people to apply for that.
I want to see you on a flight with Minister Hill. I want to see you on a flight to Panama. I want to see you using Copa's flight, because if you go there, I promise you, you're going to start making money in that region.